ankle lock. Okay, has anybody seen that ankle lock before? It's very, 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 very similar to the one that Messi finished Aoki with on. Very similar. He switched his grip, and his leg that I'm stepping over and blocking the hip with was on the inside. It's the only difference. Okay? So let's do that from under side control real quick. So that X-Guard entry, it's super cool. I'll tell you a funny story. I went and did a private lesson with another black belt, Roy Delgado. He showed me that ankle lock that we just did, right? I'm like, man, that is so sick. I've never seen that before. And I'm like super on X-Guard at the time, and I go get my Marcelo book out, and guess what? It's been in the Marcelo book, every belt I've ever had, right? All through the time, it was just in there for me, and I didn't look at the pictures hard enough, right? So, but this one is variation. I just footnote things, right? I learned from Willie McLaughlin. If you guys know him, you guys know Bryce Mitchell, right? It's Bryce's head corner, right? Guy is like uncle to me, really. You know, used to go train at his gym every Saturday, right? When he was in Cabot. He moved a little further away, and he still coaches, but his son runs his gym too. It's like saw like Rudy grow up, coaches some of my guys in boxing and stuff. So they're close friends. But I talked to Willie this last weekend, saw him at Bentonville. But he's who I learned this from, right? And it's the only other person I've ever seen show. So, cool story there. So, when he starts to recover his guard there and that shin comes in, everybody knows that. We're already there. Sit back, block. Right, here, you do something to me. How's that do? Right? All right. So it's just there, like it's literally hanging out for you, right there. And then you got De La Riva hook, right? So this is like how Musa Messi was doing, right? He still had both legs inside, okay? And then what he did is he switched, yes. Which ironically, and I could be misconstruing the leg positioning, but I've seen Rolly hit that twice in a match, and I believe one was against Chris Westphal several years ago, but he did it somewhat recently at Masters Worlds last year or something. But it's a switch grip ankle, right? I was showing this one, right? But it's just kind of interesting because this same sort of submission happened last time. We'll do one more. So as soon as they get that knee in, right? That's when you wrap it, set in, good, right? Go ahead and get this out. Okay. Let's work that from under.